Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be planning in my Big Happy Planner. This is the Happy Memory Keeping Planner. If you'd like to see the unboxing of this, I will put a link down below as well as an Amazon link. It is, if you don't know what a Happy Memory Keeper planner is, it is a Big Happy Planner size, but it is not dated and it's just made for memory keeping big events in it. You can use it for a regular planner because it's all it's about the same as a Happy Planner, but it has more pages in it for memory keeping, and you could see like all the details of that in my unboxing. But for this week, I'm going to be doing the first full week of February, and I want to start a month of Valentine. At least next couple weeks I'll be doing Valentine spreads. And so I pulled some things that I had in my stash. Over here I have some stickers. I believe these are from the Target dollar spot, maybe last year. I also have this sticker book from Michael's. It's the Doris Valentine Birds and Bees sticker book. It has some really cute different owls and birds and cupcakes and bumblebees, just super cute. Then I have some glitter hearts that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. This glitter washi tape, it's a heart washi tape from the Target dollar spot. This is some Recollections X's and O's washi. And then I have some red heart doilies. And then I have my Mambi sticker pads over here. So I'm going to clear this stuff off and we will get started. so here's how it turned out. I think it turned out really cute, and I just love these stickers. The pad was just one of the cheap pads from Michael's. I think they're the like teacher sticker pads or for kids, but I just thought they were really adorable, and I love how it worked out with everything on the page. So I hope you have a great week. Happy Valentine's Day a week early. Come back next Monday for another Valentine's spread, and I'll see you again. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.